Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by preparing both accounts for a secure sync. You need a Google account, an Apple ID, and active internet access. Confirm your Google account can accept external connections and calendar sharing. If your Google account uses two-factor authentication, create an app-specific password before continuing. On macOS or iOS, you will enable calendars when adding the Google account. Make sure you know your Google email and password, or the app-specific password, to allow two-way synchronization. On iOS, open Settings and tap Calendar, then Accounts, then Add Account. On macOS, open System Preferences, choose Internet Accounts, then click Add Account. Select Google from the provider list and sign in with your Google credentials. If prompted, enter an app-specific password for accounts with two-factor. After signing in, toggle Calendars to On to permit sync. The Apple Calendar app will then import and keep events synchronized two-way with your Google Calendar across devices. If events do not appear, first confirm Calendars is toggled on in Account Settings. Toggle Calendars OFF, wait about 1 minute, then toggle it back on to force a refresh. For accounts using two-factor authentication, re-enter the app-specific password if sign-in fails. If problems persist, remove the Google account from Apple settings and add it again to force a full resync. Finally, check calendar visibility within the Apple Calendar app to ensure specific calendars are enabled for display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.